Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the notification bar, and right there on the left upper corner of our notification panel you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the icon and that's it. And then just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, just hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon, and here as you can see we get all our available networks that you can just select. And then just to turn on the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the icon and that's it. And also we got the second way. You should just first go into the settings and here tap once on the Wi-Fi switcher to turn it on. Just tap here to select the one from the all of the available networks, and for example we'll go with the first one. Here you should enter your password, and in my case that's from 1 to 8. And now just tap here to connect. And as can you see, we got here the message that our device successfully connected to this network. Oh, sure, you can select the another one. You just should disconnect with this network, so tap there and tap here to disconnect, and you just can select one from these networks. And then just to turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here once on the switcher to turn it off, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.